How's it going, guys? This is another drawing video from Trafalgar Valentine today. Today I want to do something not unusual, something normal. But this is a Nissan R32. Now I thought I would try to do this on black paper again. I've had some interesting effects on black paper. And I used a bit of pastel. So I used black paper for the base. Then I used white gel pen for the outline of the Nissan R32. Yes, this is a 32. And then I used a bit of pastels on top of that and just smudged it out. Afterwards I used a bit of varnish spray stuff just to fix it in place. So I'll just quickly show you now. So that's it there. It's on the A4 and this is really thin paper. It's really just cheap craft black paper. So you don't need too much with it. Soft pastels, gel pen and black paper. Okay, this is going to be my Nissan R32 drawing. So this is going to be, I'm just going to do some white gel pen. It does smudge a little bit, so I'm going to start from the left hand side so my hand doesn't go over it. So here is the rear end, giggity. Coming up, the bumper, and comes across a little bit. I'm just looking at my photo reference every few seconds, so please excuse me if I do just pause. Then, so this is a wheel arch. Then for the side skirt, come across here. The other wheel arch. I've actually done this a lot smaller than what I thought it was. I don't like that wheel spacing. Okay, I can make this work. It's a little bit smaller than what I wanted. Never mind. I'll see what happens. This is what happens when you don't sketch and pencil first. Don't get a good perspective of what you're actually doing, especially having drawn something like this before. Then let's do a spoiler just at the back here. Bring this down. This is going to be the front. Have this plate there. Let's do an intercooler just here. Just like so. Then this comes round just above that cooler I just did. And it's got these two little vents here, two small yans just there. Then for the lights, it curls up, down, then across, back down. And we've got the vents here again for the lights to come up. I'm just going to curl this in. Nice small drawing. This is just on A4, but the picture itself is quite small on the paper. And black's got an interesting effect. And let's bring this across. Let's bring this down. Nice smooth line. So I've got my wing mirror there on this side for yonder. And this is just a 3-door version. Just gonna do across for the door, come back down, come back in. It's like a curved shape. Then for the door handle, there, let's just do a line, a horizon line going across there, fuel cap on the side. We'll have the wing mirror, window wiper just there. A few vents for the polyfilter. This is going to be the inside of the window. Okay, that's looking good. I need to do a bottom splitter for this. So I'll just bring that across there. Make it a little bit even. Okay, let's do the wheels next. Bring this across. Ooh, smudged it a little bit there, but it's okay. Still good. It's good. We'll bring this around. So this will be ground level. And I'm going to do, it's quite wobbly, this wheel. Just look at the wheel arches. Okay, that's a nice outline there. It's only been about 5 minutes, so that's cushy. I'm happy with that. Let's try a bit of pastel on this little bad boy. I'm not sure what kind of effect it will give or if it will work, but let's try it. Let's just have a go. So I'm going to do a touch of yellow. And I'm just going to continue this across. Do put too much down. Let's try with a touch of orange to complement that. Next, let's do a touch of red. I just finished off with a touch of purple. Okay, now I'm going to blend this in a little bit just to see how it looks. I don't want to blend it too much because I quite like the effect it has on it. Okay, that looks good. I actually did a bit of green at the bottom. Why not? It needs something else. What should I add next? Would it work if I put a bit more gel pen on? Because I've kind of dulled it down. No. Just needs something. Just need a bit of black here. Okay, I think that's working. I'm not really planning this drawing out, so I'm just kind of having fun and experimenting. Okay. Next, I might just do a... Whoops. Okay guys, I think I'll leave it like that. Just went over a bit of white pastel there, a bit charged with a little bit of orange, but I kind of want to leave those in there. So I'm going to spray it with varnish so it holds in that place. But yeah, it's been my R32 Nissan drawing. Thanks for watching guys.